Today, we're going to explore 10 simple, safe, and highly effective exercises that seniors can do at home without any special equipment. Each movement is designed to improve mobility, strength, balance, and circulation, helping you stay active, independent, and comfortable in your everyday life. Remember, always go at your own pace, breathe calmly, and stop if you feel any pain. Ready? Let's begin. We'll start with a very gentle warm-up for the joints. Seated marching. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair with your back straight, and slowly lift your feet one at a time, as if you're marching in place. This movement activates leg circulation, improves hip mobility, and prepares your entire body for the exercises ahead. Continue for about a minute, keeping your breathing relaxed and steady. Now, still sitting, extend one leg forward with your heel on the floor and your toes pointing upward. Gently lean forward from your hips until you feel a comfortable stretch along the back of your thigh. This movement helps reduce stiffness and improves flexibility in the muscles that are essential for walking safely. Hold the stretch for a few seconds, then switch legs, avoiding any sudden movements. Our third exercise focuses on improving shoulder mobility. Arm raises. Whether seated or standing, keep your back straight and slowly lift both arms overhead as if you're reaching toward the ceiling. Then lower them gently. This simple motion increases your range of movement, relieves shoulder tension, and helps improve posture. Take your time and respect the limits of your body. Next, we'll work on the spine. Sit up tall and gently rotate your torso to the right, then to the left, keeping your hands resting on your thighs or the chair. This soft, twisting motion helps maintain spinal mobility and reduces the stiffness that many seniors feel upon waking or after sitting for long periods. For the next exercise, we'll strengthen the legs safely. The sit-to-stand movement. Stand in front of a sturdy chair. Slowly rise to your feet using the strength of your legs, then sit back down with control. If needed, use your hands lightly for assistance. This is one of the most important exercises for maintaining independence because it trains the exact movement you perform every day when getting up from bed, the table, or the sofa. Now, let's activate your balance. Place one hand lightly on the back of a chair and stand on one foot for a few seconds. Then switch sides. This simple exercise strengthens the muscles around the ankle and improves stability, greatly reducing the risk of falls. Just a few seconds on each leg is enough to feel the benefits. No need to force anything. Next, we'll work on hip mobility with a lateral leg lift. Stand beside a chair, place one hand on the backrest, and lift one leg out to the side while keeping your torso upright. This movement strengthens muscles that help you walk with confidence and climb stairs more easily. Do a few repetitions, then switch legs, always with control and care. To improve circulation and reduce tension in your legs, we'll do ankle rotations. Sit comfortably, raise one foot slightly off the ground, and trace slow circles with your ankle, first in one direction, then the other. Repeat with the other leg. This exercise helps reduce stiffness, increases mobility, and prevents that heavy, tired feeling in the legs. Our next movement targets the neck which often carries tension from posture or daily activities. Sit with your back straight and gently tilt your head to one side, then to the other, keeping the motion slow and controlled. Afterward, look up slightly and then down. This helps relieve muscle tension and improves neck mobility, making everyday movements more comfortable. And finally, we close with deep breathing to calm the body and increase oxygen flow. Sit comfortably, place your hands on your abdomen, close your eyes, and inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your belly expand. Then exhale gently through your mouth. Repeat a few times. Deep breathing reduces stress, improves blood pressure, and creates an immediate sense of relaxation. Congratulations on completing this sequence of 10 light, simple, and deeply beneficial exercises. Remember, you don't need to do everything at once. What truly matters is consistency, respecting your limits, and celebrating every small step toward better well-being. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments which exercise you enjoyed the most. Thank you for watching. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.
Give us a like, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and come join our community.